Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Raja Ardana. I will make a croquette. The snack was cooked by a French court chef and become the favorite food of the King of France. Croquettes have also become more widely known to several surrounding countries, such as the Netherlands. The original recipe croquettes are made from ragout, which is a mixture of flour, milk, and chicken or beef. After the dough is cold, it is formed into a cylinder or oval, only then covered with flour and wrapped in flour. If so, then fry until brown. Material need to make a croquette are a potato, breadcrumb, egg, sauce, and cheese. The first, mash the potato until smooth. Next, add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Next, add enough pepper powder. Next, add half a teaspoon of salt and mix the adonan. Then take the dough and flatten it in the hand. Then fill the sauce, cheese, and egg. Next, shape the dough into an oval. Then repeat the steps many times. Then coat the croquette with the beaten egg. Then coat the croquette with flour. Next, repeat the steps. Finally, fry the croquette until golden brown. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.